guys, so I'm back again with another video, and today you guys I am going to be doing a whole new different color, you guys, a color you guys never see me do, and it's super simple. All you need to do is get a 613 wig, and in this case this is by Sogoodhair Official. Make sure you guys check them out, the link below. And we're going to be using these two Adore Sweet Mints, but I actually only needed one bottle, you guys, because I didn't want it to be too dark. I wanted it to be the perfect mint color. So now, first things first, we are going to fill the bucket with hot water, you guys. You want to make sure the water is literally boiling hot, like nothing less. After doing that, you guys, we are simply going to be putting the sweet mint into the bin. And I'm only going to use one bottle, like I said, you guys, because I didn't want it to be too dark. So that's what we're going to do right now, and we're going to test how it looks. And so far, it looks great. So right now, 7 is going to add sweet mint in, and this is honestly a beautiful color, you guys. I absolutely love it. I'm so mad though that like when I did apply the wig, like literally nothing goes with it. But anyways, she's literally pouring the whole bottle in, and yes, you do need the whole bottle if you want your hair to look right. After pouring it in, you just want to make sure you mix it around with a spoon or with anything else. Like, it's such a beautiful color, you guys. Like, I love this like aqua looking color right now. I actually want to do this color, but when we actually dip the wig in, it looks sweet mint, but it's so pretty. So now we are going to dip the 613 wig in, you guys. And this hair, this wig literally took the color in like no other. We really did not need a second bottle, you guys. So I honestly just spent money for no reason. But this color and this wig just took it so nicely. Like, wait till you guys see the results. It's so beautiful. It's so amazing. Ooh, you guys, look at that. I feel like a whole mermaid with this wig on. Like, I can't even tell you how many people like love the color on me. It's so cute. Ooh, you guys, look how pretty it is. Sweet mint. If you guys want to cop this wig, make sure to use my coupon code YOUNGNENA for 10% off. And I want to see how you guys do your wigs. Like, show me what color you do if you don't end up doing sweet mint. Like, let me see how you style your wigs. Just send me DMs, you guys. I want to see how you guys are styling your wigs. And last but not least, you guys, you just want to make sure you rinse the excess dye out of the hair, because obviously when you put it on your head, you do not want sweet mint to be like dyeing on your lace or anything. So you just want to make sure you rinse it out properly. Oh, you guys, look how pretty it is. Oh my god. I can't. I'm like watching this video back over and I'm just like, I love this color so much. So I have a wig cap on, and I know I look funny right now, you guys, but I always wear a wig cap when I'm doing a 613 wig, just because I feel like the 613 wigs don't get that same look as a regular natural black hair. So I only use caps when I'm doing colored hair, just to make sure it looks as natural as possible, because we all know 613 wigs can be a bit tricky, especially when you are doing coloring. So you just want to make sure you put a wig on. But you don't have to if you don't want to, but I do, and I advise everyone to. But this is just like a close-up of the wig, you guys. I honestly want to do a wet look with this wig. I feel like it would be absolutely pretty. I haven't done it yet, but just looking at it, I know it would look so amazing. Kind of like my pink one. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. And I also asked 7 to do black roots for me, or darker roots, just because I feel like I look funny when I just have like one color in, and I prefer to have roots in because it just looks completely natural to me. And here's me just looking at myself. But now she's just gonna go ahead and add the glue on, and 7 uses bold hold glue. I believe that's what it's called. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll also have that in the link in the description below so you guys can know what glue I'm using and you guys can be prepared to do your wigs. And for the finale, she placed the wig on my head and just making sure it is attached to my head, you guys. I want to make sure that glue is sticking. I want to make sure that frontal work is looking bomb. So that's what she's doing right now, and I love the dark roots on this wig. It just looks like some like mint chocolate chip cookie. I don't know, it's so cute. But big shout out to 7. You know, my girl always hooks it up. And a big shout out to So Official Hair, you guys. Like I said, if you want this wig that I'm wearing, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Use my coupon code YOUNGNENA for 10% off. And I will see you guys in the next clip to talk more about the wig. Hey guys, so new little setting, and I think it's super cute. I just want to give a big shout out to Sogoodhair. I will tag their Instagram, I will tag their website, I will tag all that down below, you guys, so you can check them out. Right now, y'all, I am wearing their 613, I believe 22 inches, and I absolutely love this hair. I've been feeling like a mermaid, you guys. This is like, I've never tried this hair color in my life, and I was a little skeptical because I am on the darker skin tones. I was like, I don't know if that will look good on me, but I was like, you know what, like, let's try it out, and I absolutely love you guys. I feel like a little mermaid. But the only thing I do hate is that I don't have a lot of clothes to match with my hair, but that's fine. It's still cute regardless, and I feel like at this point, y'all, pulling off every hair color to exist. So make sure you guys check them. They have coupon codes that you guys can use right now, and you guys can get some percentage off your order. I recommend you guys to go get a 613 wig and just start playing with it. Like, honestly, it's so fun to just get a blonde wig and just start messing with it, just start playing in colors and just seeing what works for you. And it's pretty simple, you guys. It literally takes 15 minutes or less, and you're all done. You're all done. So yeah, and in the beginning of the video, what I showed you guys is when I first got this installed. Right now, it's been about 4 days since I've got this wig installed, and I haven't been tying my edges down, but for the most part, it is pretty cute still. It is pretty nice. One thing I did not like about this hair, if I'm going to be honest, definitely when I'm combing it out, it does shed hair, but regardless, every hair sheds. I just don't like how this sheds. Like right now, I'm shedding a lot, like on my bed, like crazy. But yeah, you guys, I really love this hair. I just feel like such a mermaid. I'm in my natural state right now, and I wanted to I want to make sure that before I put these videos out, I want to show you guys how the hair looks about like 4 or 5 days or a week later. And I want to make sure you guys don't like get finessed or think like, oh, she's just lying or whatever. So yeah, I really love it, you guys. Make sure you cop their 613 wig. I really like it. It's so cute. The way 7 did the roots is so amazing, you guys. And I'm just like, ugh. I do have to go back for a touch-up, and I think I might leave this wig in because I haven't took plenty of pictures with this yet. But I absolutely adore this color. Like, it makes me feel like a mermaid. Like, I just you guys, I'm like feeling myself right now. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like I said, check the link in the description below if you guys want to know. Like, you guys keep asking me on my Instagram, like, sis, where'd you get this wig? Sis, where'd you get this? Where'd you get that? You guys, check the link in the description, or I usually tag them on my Instagram story, Sogoodhair, and you guys can go cop your wig. I love how easy the color is able to take in. Like, I love that. Like 8 minutes tops just to like get this sweet mint color. So yeah, you guys, and until next time, if you guys have any questions, like I said, about this wig, anything I have not covered, or anything you're skeptical about or want to know further details, you can DM me or feel free to comment down below, and I will get back to you like literally ASAP because I'm on my phone like 24/7, and we're under quarantine right now, so I'm definitely going to be checking. So make sure you go DM me or comment down below, and until next time, you guys, do things Nena's way, and you'll be okay. Bye.